Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uhe pulet ka jelaw bala syakyam uba Gabriel Ïangrai. Hawa ay jingkran bikilat patay kubor syabun syakra no ay kipulet CID. Uloong balada uday babamsam ay bakaan kan syemya karay. Uba Ïangrai ulay tu baha kapor bikipulet kilalit ban kanray kaying sa ajong u. Manha ka artarik unay wing arajar arpuar. Ulap hetri naki namarbu syap tieng. Yo syale kumba syale uba cher starfield thank you bam kwa hedwaru blay. Ulong baka e ba uday ban le ban yo ya kahok. Unyat tray lang bakibor pulet. Handay ula kerpat bakim day ban katakti lan ya pensyitami kibahi ngasem jong u. Syuk uba Ïangrai ulaong balada upen ilot ya kejing shisha menta. Kibriyo kibadon keti ban ba ya kejingkit kli kila ban penyap yu u. Bat pensyitam ru ya kibahi ngasem jong u. Uba Ïangrai ula buat jing keliru halor kejing syasiat yap uba cie. Hagabaw la keli lang ilayo ni em ikijubam. Manu badon keti ban syem ya kejing em jong ba cie. Bat kumjuh ru jong Kiwei day kibriyo kibalui-lui.
People who died to lay down their lives have got special family pension during my time, and this is what I get the result. I go to office at 10, I come at 8, I don't have a family life, no social life, and this is what I get. You expect me to get this? I am a victim of a very high level conspiracy beyond my mind, and I don't know which political party, which political agent or which terrorist agent. And there are many people doubting my medals. I got without any stain of blood on my medal. It is my sheer hard work that I have got those medals and nothing. And then there are many people who are wearing their chest very high, but with stain of blood, innocent blood in them, and rewarded. And so many inquiries happen. What happened at Chesterfield till now? Have you got the answer? You got who's the mastermind? You got everything. PJ Marbanyang, you got, and many others, and many innocent people who've been caught, shot and shown, got medals. You put medals here. That is what justice. And now what they'll do? They'll torture me. What they did? They mentally tortured me. And even when they did the inquiry, I was never informed that there's an inquiry against you, against me. For the alleged so whatever, they must have made charges, thousands of charges. It's a particular case which is above 20 years, in which name of prominent people, some have retired, some are on the verge of retiring, but they'll never come and stand like this to come and arrest. Here, this is what these people standing here, ready to arrest. In the CIDPS only they have, and they don't dare. And there are so many skeletons. Scams, ACB, you're talking about ACB, anti-corruption. I am the only corrupted person. Fine. If I am corrupt, let the law decide. I have full faith in the law. And I will, I don't mind to be hanged also, if it's by constitution. But I will not allow anyone to, why? On the 2nd of November, the very first thing when I came to realize that they're going to raid my house. I have to hide. Because I'm scared that they do the same Chester episode. Because the mastermind are the same. The mastermind. Understand? You might not shoot, I might not shoot, but the mastermind behind. And even these so-called people who are recording from the police, the loyal policemen, the very loyal policemen, they also are under duress. They don't want to do. They tell me in private, sir, but what to do is duty. I said, okay, I understand, my friends. It's your duty. You do your duty. For my rights, I will fight. If I have to die, I will die. But please do not touch my family. Do not harass my family. I have only family and nothing else. And when I have made, I don't have a mansion anywhere. Whatever I don't even have a house, I have no land. And I am staying with my mother, I'm staying in my quarter. I'm single. I have worked for 20 years. I don't have, my total salary will come how much? They are alleging this appropriate. Please check the affidavits filed by the many so-called people who contesting elections. They have what? Have you ever exercised CID, ACB? Have you done? You have not done. Why skip with me? What did I do? Because I do my work sincerely. This is the result. 274 cases of people in the police were pending compassionate jobs has not been done by the various people. During my tenure, 274 people after committing with the after I came, after queries cleared, got 274 families of the policemen have been able to get, compassionate employment, and then 69 families of those. If I open that scam, the entire whoever is responsible will. But my life is under threat. My family's life is not threat. They have attacked my family. They have done everything to my family. You know that. And I'm alive just because of my family. I'm single. If I die now, no problem. They can shoot from there. They can use sniper from there. They can use from anywhere. They have the power. They have everything. I don't have that. I have only a pen. And you must be knowing from the jail itself, I've been writing a lot of letters. I've completed 3 reams of letters in a period of 102 days. 102 days. Various letters I have written. And now these people have come. They will arrest me now because they are under duress. They want to do. They will do. They have done everything. Even during my interrogation, my rights has been violated as per section 41D, in which I've asked for a presence of my lawyer. That was not given to me. Even my blanket, they tore it. They tore it. So much trauma they gave me. And did not even, my right to religion has been used. I want to hold my rosary. I am not going to crucify myself. I'm not going to, suicide. No, I cannot keep suicide with this rosary. Even that, just a pen paper also didn't allow me. And then what they do when I sleep at night, they put the mobile on so loud so that I can't sleep, so I'll be under total duress. When I complain, everyone is say, I don't know, this is not my case. This is CID case. This is not OC. This is the thing. Because CID does not have a PS of the lockup of their own, so they keep me in police custody there, and then the kind of pressure they keep, and that kind of humiliation and character assassination. I'm totally naked. What is there for me? I can walk naked also because nothing is there. I'm only exposed. But if I have to die also, others also will go, but at an appropriate time, appropriate level. And I'm not going to answer any question. This is one. What do you want to do? They are now to arrest me. Ask them. They are here to arrest me. For many cases, 6 cases. It is everything. There is a soothsayer, a media house soothsayer. Everything that has been described by the soothsayer has come to reality. And even in the honorable court also, a PIL has been filed against me on the basis of newspaper report. When I was a layman, I was reading my time only. There is a Supreme Court ruling in which mere paper evidence cannot be used for file PIL, but that has been done against me. And all the action has happened through the soothsayer only. And I am a victim of a high-level khaki vendetta politics.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy kapag TMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tunay. Hoy kapag TMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tingkay. Trilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala. Kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala. Rilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala. Kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala. Hoy kapag